Hello aspirants. Last time when we talked about Punjab PCS exam, when you appeared for the PCS, and we were talking about the tentative cutoff, right? You might have gone through the notification released by the Punjab PCS PPSC that mains exam is going to be, taking place in the first week of April, right? So it's too soon, too early actually. And you are still hanging in the dilemma of prelims cutoff. So many of the candidates, in fact, most of them are not sure about whether they are going to make it to the list of the prelims cutoff or not. Nobody can be, right? There is always a degree of uncertainty until and unless you are far above the others. You know your fraternity you talked about, and you see that yes, I am good enough, right, to clear that. So there are three kinds of dilemma that some people are still worried about, still hanging in three cutoff dilemmas, right? And result. Okay, let's let the result prelims be released. Then I will start with the mains, right? So I think there is very less time gap to think about this. You need to start ASAP as soon as possible. Otherwise, the vastness of the syllabus will make the life difficult for you. In that, that around 20 days or 25 days, it's very difficult, right? So first thing you want to know, what about that prelims exam update? Right, so as far as I know, and in fact it's all about the fraternity. When you talk of some of the contacts, right, some of the person who might be a little bit aware, I feel that as per my knowledge, they are saying that it will be released at any cost before 18th of March, right? So that means within 4 or 5 days it will be over. So there was an ambiguous question, right, in the CSAT, which they are working upon, I think, upon the merit list as well, the categories. There are different categories actually, so that's why they need to take some time. Anyways, 18th or 19th that will be done, or before that at any cost. So that means you have hardly left with the 30 days, 20-25 days. So you need to start, right? What you need to do, right? So if you feel that you are the one, even if you make it to the list and you feel that okay, I cannot do anything in 20 days because syllabus is vast, now you need to look upon the previous year paper as well. If you look upon that, you can find the generality, nature of generalization in the paper, right? The golden rule is that you need to know little about everything. At least you should be aware about that term, right? So maybe at this moment, if you are writing Punjab PCS, more or less I can assume that you are writing UPSC as well, the upcoming UPSC in June, right? So that means you are slightly preparing for that as well, maybe the prelims mode going on, but still you can note down or jot down the points from the different materials, whatever you follow, whichever material, whichever reference you follow, all is well. Believe in that and just jot down the points, right? Start listing out the points in news, terms in news, topics in news, right? And apart from that, whatever is relevant to the Punjab as well. Of course, Punjab PCS, they will ask some questions related to that as well, right? Please jot down the points. Don't get stick to only one issue, what farmer issue, no. There are a lot of else things happening, right? You have GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So, आपके हर एक paper में different चीजें आएंगी ना. You have to list down, make a diary. Okay, that's for GS1, GS2, GS3, terms in news, right? And try to have at least, you can say infographics types of mode, mind mapping. Try to have at least 5 points for them, short points, which you can have a quick recap before the exam day. That will help you out. Nobody can cover that 500 pages of booklets in 2 days or 5 days. ये आप revise नहीं कर पाएंगे. So you need to prepare infographics, mind maps, quick revision notes, whatever you say right now. You need to start now. Despite, you forget about the prelims cutoff, right? If you are anything about 230, 240, you are good enough. You are good enough. You have done, honestly, you have done a good work. You should be in that list. I believe you will be, right? So you should start listing out the terms. और इस बात को आप भूल जाओ कि मेरा होगा तो मैं तैयारी करूंगा, तब आप कर नहीं पाओगे. Because there might be many candidates who might have written mains this time, last times, right? You have to compete with the best quality, because if number of seat is less, and nowadays the charm for the the executive services had been always high, but nowadays it's increasing day by day, where the students or candidates from the different professional backgrounds as well as the coveted colleges are coming to appear for the exam. So you need to compete with the best. You need to start early. You need to work upon the qualitative things, right? So these things will going to help you in this GS mains exam, right? So hope for the best. Let the results be out. We'll be definitely starting some revision sessions, or you can say that we'll have a mock test session, so that we can evaluate, or you can say with all of the faculties who has written UPSC mains, at least they can evaluate the copy and check upon and share their inputs. Thank you. Good luck.